In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping on Shopify. Navigating the Shopify platform and tweaking your shipping options can significantly influence your store's success by affecting shipping times, costs, and overall customer satisfaction. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to fine-tune your shipping strategy, this guide will walk you through the process, making it clearer and more straightforward. First things first, let's head over to the Shopify website. It's where every adjustment, including shipping settings, begins. If you are not already logged in, clicking on the login button is your starting point. This step is crucial because without access to your admin area, you can't make any changes to your shipping settings. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your store's details. Here, you'll type in your store's URL or your associated email to proceed. It's a simple step but key to accessing your store's backend where all the magic happens. Following that, Shopify offers a streamlined process, allowing you to continue with email. This option is designed to make the login process as seamless as possible. Next, you'll need to select your account. If you're managing multiple stores or have several Google accounts linked, make sure to pick the correct one to access the specific store you intend to modify shipping settings for. Navigating through the Shopify admin interface, you'll find a section titled My Store. Here you can see an overview of your store's current status. However, our focus is on adjusting shipping settings, so let's move on to the Settings option, typically found at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Within Settings, you'll see various configuration options. Click on Shipping and Delivery. This section is the heart of where you'll adjust how products are shipped from your store to your customers, tailoring the experience to both your business model and your customers' expectations. To begin customizing, click on Create a New Profile. This is where Shopify's flexibility shines, allowing you to set different shipping rates and conditions based on product types, order value, or destination, ensuring that you're always offering the best options to your customers. Upon clicking that, it's time to give your new shipping profile a name. Naming your profile is critical for organization, especially as your store grows and evolves. It could be anything that makes sense to you and represents the products or shipping conditions you're setting up. Then click on Add Products. This lets you specify which items this shipping profile applies to. It's an essential step because it ensures that the shipping settings you're about to configure are linked to the correct products. After selecting your products, confirm your choices by clicking Done. With your products added, it's time to define where they'll be shipping to by clicking on Add Shipping Zone. Here you name your zone and search for the specific regions or countries included in this zone. This step is crucial for setting up shipping rates that make sense based on geographical logistics and costs. After inputting and selecting your zone, click Done to solidify your choices. Now we delve into the specifics of the shipping rates by clicking on Add Rate. You have two main options here. Set up your own custom rates or use carrier or app calculated rates. If you choose to set a custom rate, name it accordingly. This could be something related to the speed of delivery, the geographical zone, or any other factor that influences your shipping costs and strategies. Following the naming, add conditional pricing by clicking on Add Conditional Pricing. This feature allows you to tailor your rates based on the order's price or weight, giving you and your customers flexibility and control over shipping costs. For our purposes, let's select based on order price and input the price range that this particular rate will apply to. Once everything looks good, click Done to finalize your rate setup. But remember, no change is official until you hit Save. This makes all your hard work come into effect, updating your store's shipping settings in real time. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the nuances of changing your shipping settings on Shopify. This walkthrough was designed to take you step by step through each part of the process, ensuring clarity and ease of understanding. Remember, shipping is a dynamic aspect of your online business, so feel free to revisit these settings as your store grows and your shipping needs evolve. Happy shipping, and here's to your continued success on Shopify.